welcome to Chateaubriand. Welcome home, everybody. We are here at the Cattle Baron in Blouberg Strand for a lovely tasting tonight. As we enter the Cattle Baron, their friendly staff greet us, walking through this lovely restaurant, and it's looking forward to our Chateaubriand, the famous Chateaubriand from Cattle Baron. As we're walking up into the bar area, I've reserved a lovely place. Oh, this menu is spectacular. Every single page has got delicious pictures of delicious food. But tonight we are having the Chateaubriand for 4 people. Okay, we're all in agreement. We're going to go with the Chateaubriand for 4 to share for all of us. So 2 chips and 2 veggies. And we can share that out between us. Great stuff, fantastic.
Alright, so it's a Chateau for 4,
yeah.
Medium rare. 2 veggies, spinach and butternut with it. Then others 2 chips with it.
Yes, wonderful. Great stuff. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's delicious. Very nice. These aren't too bad. Oh, this looks delicious. What is this?
Huh?
The fat off the rum. Oh my, what is this? This looks very, very naughty. Oh my word, it's fat. Yummy, I can't wait to put this in my mouth. This is extremely bad for you, but yes, it's so delicious. Naughty. Put it away.
You naughty, naughty.
Looks like our veggies have arrived. Oh, look at this, Kayla. Oh my word, here it comes. Oh my word, is this? This is a kilogram. Oh my word. Now that's a piece of meat for you. That looks amazing. Be careful.
There we are, still flaming.
Okay, great. Oh wow, we each get our own béarnaise sauce and mushroom sauce each. Oh, this is delicious. Look at this. Oh my word, how are we going to get through all this delicious food? Oh my word, the steak is out of this world. Goodness gracious, I'm definitely coming here again, that's for sure. I must say, I think I rate this more than 11 out of 10, or maybe 12 out of 10. It's out of this world. One of the best steaks I've ever tasted. I would suggest every one of you come here and eat your heart's content. Wunderbar. Like and subscribe if you want to see our next experience. We're going to be tasting all gorgeous things in Cape Town. Thanking you all for watching. Bye for now.